This is my favorite kitchen tool. Handed down to me from my dad, this cast iron skillet gives tons of flavor to lots of dishes, like this one skillet dinner I'm gonna show you how to make. We're gonna go ahead and use chicken, heavy cream, bacon, some cherry tomatoes or vine-ripe tomatoes, Swiss chard, and finish it off with a little parsley and fresh green onions. These we're gonna put in the pot and just blister them. Next up is our green onions. Trim off the ends and discard and slice thin. This will add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of color to finish our dish. Next up is our parsley. This has been washed and dried, and I'm just crunching it up into a nice contained area and chopping it nice and fine. I'm gonna add the bacon. Before we put our chicken onto the pan, we're gonna season it with some coarse salt, some garlic powder, and some paprika. I want there to be enough room between chicken breasts so that they don't steam, but that they get a nice sear. 5 more minutes and we'll check on them. Our tomatoes have some good color and they're starting to cook down. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our Swiss chard. This has been washed and torn into about 2-inch pieces. We're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream. Now that our cream has gotten nice and bubbly, it's cooked for about a minute, we're gonna add our chicken back to our pot. And it's finished. We're just gonna top it off with our crispy bacon. It's finished off with some fresh chopped parsley and scallions, and I got to use my favorite kitchen tool, and in less than 30 minutes, I have a delicious dinner for my family of 4.